Hello, Topgolf. My name is Matt Cecil, and I'm the founder and CEO of Industry. We are so excited to partner with Topgolf to help simplify your hiring process for your property. Now, the goal of this video is to show you how Industry Recruiter works and how to submit a request. It's very simple. So the first step is to go to topgolf.industry.co. You'll be able to find all the information on how it works, how much it costs, and it's very simple. So this is how Industry Recruiter works for Topgolf. So the first thing is that you'll be able to submit a request on this website for us to start recruiting for any open positions. Secondly, we will screen candidates from the industry community, conduct initial interviews to ensure candidates meet your qualifications, and schedule qualified interviews for you. Now, we understand the Topgolf hiring process. So for hourly roles, what we'll do is we'll schedule people to come in for hiring events. For back of house, it may be a hiring event or a one-on-one interview. For management positions, more than likely it's going to be a one-on-one interview. But we have been working over the last few years to really understand Topgolf, and we will make sure that we were doing it the way you want us to do it. So after we've sourced candidates, we've screened them, we've scheduled them to come in, what we're going to do is we're going to have that candidate show up and you're going to interview the candidate. We guarantee that the candidate will show up to interview. If they do not show up to interview, then there is no cost for you. So this is totally risk-free. Now, the type of positions that we can help you fill are all heart of house, front of house, and management positions. Everything from the line cook to the bay host to the server, bartender, executive chef, whatever it may be, we can help you. Now, it's important for you to understand how we qualify candidates because this is what's really going to build value for you and your team at Topgolf. So the first step is we're going to make sure that these candidates have the proper experience. If it's a line cook, do they actually have line cook experience? Also, is it relevant? Is it high volume experience? We're going to make sure that we're screening for the proper experience. Secondly is availability. We work with candidates to ensure that they have the proper availability to work for you. If they do not have the proper availability, then we'll not schedule the interview. The third thing is commute. So we make sure the candidates understand where your business is and that they have reliable transportation to get to and from work. If they do not, then we will not send them in. Fourth is we actually ask candidates, can you provide proof that you're authorized to work in the United States? And what that does is it lets us know if they can pass E-Verify or not. Also, we inform them that Topgolf conducts drug and background checks prior to sending them in, and we ask them if they can pass. If they tell us no, we do not send them in. If they say, yeah, I can pass, no problem, we'll send them in. So our goal is to make it so that we reduce the number of people that you send offers to that can't pass that drug and criminal background check. So huge value in that. In step 5 is we're going to make sure that they are in ISIMs before the interview. We understand that you are a large company. We understand that you have processes, and we want to make sure that they are in ISIMs so that way it can be a smooth onboarding process for the hire. Also, we're here to guarantee results. So we have 3 types of guarantees behind the Industry Recruiter service. The first is a quality guarantee. We guarantee that the candidates we send you will meet the qualifications which you outlined for us. If they do not, we're not going to charge you for the interview. No questions asked. Secondly, show up guarantee. We do our best to ensure that candidates show up for interviews. If a candidate no shows to an interview that we scheduled, then we will not charge you a fee for that interview. Awesome. No one else does that. Also, we have an overall satisfaction guarantee. If you are not satisfied with our customer service, our quality of response, quality of candidates, or overall process, we're not going to charge you. We're here to make sure that you're making great hires for your location of Topgolf. Now, you may be thinking, this sounds great, but how much does it cost? So we have an arrangement with Topgolf where it's free for you to get started on any recruiting request. There is absolutely no upfront cost. There's no catch. All you have to do is submit a request, and we'll get to work on it. We charge $50 per qualified interview. So the candidate must show up, they must meet your qualifications, they must be in ISIMs, all the things which I outlined before. If they do not, or any of those things are not true, then we will not bill you for it. Pretty amazing. Now let me show you how to submit a request. So all you have to do is go to topgolf.industry.co. This process is very simple. And we also offer direct support. So you can just text Topgolf to 323-310-1118 if you have any issues. So you just press start. You tell us which location of Topgolf you're with. Let's say it's Roseville. You're going to tell us what position you need help recruiting for. If you're doing a hiring event, which we know many of the locations are doing, you can select multiple positions. So let's say if it's server, bartender, bay host, busser, drink runner, you can select all of those. We also have other options. So if we missed a position that you are recruiting for, maybe it's a new position, you can enter it there. Now, how many roles are you looking to fill? Let's say you want to hire 50 people. How many interviews? Let's say if you want 100 interviews. The next question is, how long is your interview going to last? So this is where you tell us, if you tell us it's a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1-hour interview, we're going to know it's a one-on-one. If it's a hiring event, let us know it's a hiring event, and then you can tell us the details next. So after you select hiring event, what are the days and times of your hiring event? So let's say it's 10-10, from 10 to 1. We'll understand exactly what you're talking about. Tell us the availability you're looking for. More than likely, it's going to be open. What's the pay for the positions? You can try to answer this as best as you can. If you don't have the details, we'll work with the team at Topgolf to get those details. If there's any specific days and times that we missed for accepting interviews, you can also answer this question. If it's for a hiring event, please skip this question. Your full name, so you just tell us your first and last name. This will establish the relationship with you, so we know who you are. Tell us your email address. We may send calendar invites to this. We may ask you questions. And then this is a really great part of industry is we have a dedicated recruiter that's going to be working on your opening. So all you need to do is just give us your phone number. That's my personal phone number if anyone needs it. We will shoot you a text after you submit this form to answer any questions you have, and then you just submit it. And then all you have to do is wait for us to book 100 interviews in your calendar for your hiring event. We are here at Industry Recruiter to make the hiring process simple for you. We are here to help you achieve your goals. Thank you so much. My name is Matthew Cecil, and I'm the founder and CEO of Industry, and we love working with Topgolf. Thank you.